Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the Arceus X Mod Menu on your phone. No jailbreak or computer needed. This works on iPhone and Android. It is super cool. So if you like Arceus X, you probably know about it. It's a famous Roblox modified version. And today I'm going to show you guys how to download it, which does work on iPhone. So you do not need an Android to use this, guys. It works on iPhone. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. It is super cool, guys, that you can actually go ahead and do this right now today. Alright, so as you can see right here, I have the Arceus X Mod Menu installed. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So just keep watching, guys. This does work. So as you can see, guys, right here, let me just go ahead and show you. I do have the Arceus X V3 right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So if you're using an iPhone, guys, go over to settings, go to general, go to background refresh, turn that on, then go to battery, turn off low power mode. Now we're going to go to the browser, and you just want to go over to this website right here, zoomods.com. Alright, so this is the website, and once you're on this website, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Arceus X. So as you can see, it says Arceus X Mod. So then just press on the download button and it's going to start to download, guys. So it's fully working. This is super insane, guys. Can't even believe it actually works. So just let it download and you're going to be all set, guys. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. People out there don't know about these mods. They want to pay money for them, and that's fine if that's how you're rolling, but I don't want to spend any money on this Arceus X Mod Menu. So I got it for free, guys. So that's pretty unique if you ask me. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You can actually install it right now. So remember, guys, if you're using an iPhone, go over to settings and then just go to general and turn on background app refresh. Then go to battery, turn off low power mode. You're going to be all good. That's all you got to do, guys. Remember the website right here, zoomods.com. And then you're going to be all set, guys. So yeah, it's pretty insane that this actually works. But what can I say? I mean, it's super cool. Like, look at that. I got all the settings right here, you know. Friggin', you can change your speed, hack, all that cool stuff. So it's worth giving it a try if you like Arceus X mod menus installed into your phone today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. It should work for you if you follow the steps. It's super cool and I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to see you guys later, and you can find some other videos in my description, and peace out.